Good evening, and thanks for coming tonight. My name is Juan Amador, and again, I'm a freshman here at Jesuit. Now, unfortunately, I was not able to attend Jesuit's open house last year. Unlike all of you, I didn't receive this initial introduction to everything the school has to offer. However, I still remember the general process of it all. Up to this point, you've compiled a list of your preferred high schools. You're preparing to take the HSPT, to make your choice, but the time will come for you to wait. And you wait, and you wait, and you wait. And the results seem to never arrive. In fact, you try to push the thought to the back of your head in hopes that you won't have to think about which place you will call home for the next 4 years of your life. But I'm here to tell you that what you're going to see tonight will make it all worthwhile. In fact, tonight, you all will be able to witness firsthand everything I've already fallen in love with during my short time here. Looking back, I remember the day my parents told me of my acceptance. Naturally, I was overjoyed, yet little did I know that from that moment on, my life would change forever. I mean, this acceptance meant being able to attend the best of high schools. I saw myself going to a renowned learning institute with a beautiful campus that took into account nurturing the faith of its students just as much as their education. However, that was it. I didn't have any family members that had attended Jesuit. I didn't know anyone currently attending, and I was coming from a school with few applicants. I lacked a personal connection to Jesuit. But had I been prepared for even a fraction of what was to come, I wouldn't even have thought twice about my decision for high school. Now, don't get me wrong, it's a transition. Transition involves change. And when has anyone ever felt entirely comfortable with change? Attending Jesuit requires you to adjust your study habits, your routines, your time management abilities. However, within the short span of the 3 months I've been here, I've already come to fall in love with the transcendent student experience. The teachers here are exceptional instructors that care genuinely for each of their students and strive for their success. The classroom environment is unlike anything I've ever seen, unlike anything I've ever experienced. Every man is a friend and a brother to each of his fellow classmates. Success here is a collective achievement. While you are held to the highest of standards, you have the full support of your teachers and your classmates. And even outside of the classroom, I've been able to experience the grandeur of our student body. Of the countless memories I've made here so far, many can be found cheering for the football team as they win game after game. The exciting pep rallies, the thrill of the student run-out, the exhilarating presence of Blue Tide. I've noted that these contribute to such a strong sense of community, a whole assembly of brothers cheering their team on to victory. In our most recent freshman retreat served as an incredible encounter with Christ, during which we were able to truly open up to each other and grow closer to God as a class. Now, getting into the matter, my Jesuit experience hasn't been defined just by the school's unmatched education or athletic programs, or by its outstanding student body and educators, but by its faith. A virtuous life is more valuable than a learned one, but both learning and virtue are required to achieve perfection. That was St. Ignatius of Loyola, founder of the Society of Jesus, whom we seek to imitate in everything that he did to serve God and his church through his service. Jesuit's extensive theology courses, morning convocations, adorations, and daily masses and confessions have already started to take my life with Christ to heights I had never previously imagined possible. My little time here has already proven to be a blessing. I'm growing in countless ways, in freedom and in brotherhood, in service and in friendship. And I can't wait to see what the rest of my journey here has in store for me and my peers. I hope and pray that all of you here tonight are able to experience the profound excellence Jesuit has to offer. Thank you for your time, and I hope you all enjoy your open house. God bless.